So guys, this is as far as I've got. I'll put this on. I'm going to explain that later. But right now, I just want to show you something before I do anything. And that's these coils. I'll put them on. And I'll show you that it works really well when you put this on like that. As you can see, it's self-starting. Okay, I'll do it again. Okay, so what's going on? So this has to be positioned in the right place. Even if we take this off now, it'll continue to run, obviously. So that's that. But let me say something else. Okay, guys, so I'm giving you a close-up shot of this so that when I take this apart, I can't explain it after that. So I'm showing you what I'm doing right now. So what it is this thick wire is going from the positive to the collector. That's it. And we're keeping the resistor and we're putting the LED through the resistor to the positive side, basically. So this is what's happening here. And this one here is replaced the resistor on this side, which is a thinner wire and more ohms. So instead of the resistor going across to the positive, I've replaced it with this one. So if you look at the diagram, and I've broke it up and redrew it a bit, here it is, right? So this side is a 38.7 ohm, is going through the collector to the positive side, and we're keeping the resistor to in line with the LED going to there. But this other side here now, it's replacing the resistor, and the coil is just replacing the resistor. We took the resistor out. That's how I'm working this. Somebody asked me how I soldered the magnet with the wire, and the answer is with great difficulty, because I just tried this one and it's lost its properties. It doesn't stick no more. It's soldered, but it's not sticking. So I'm going to try this one, see how it goes, because if you leave the iron on too long, it does lose the properties. I'm trying not to do that. I'm not sure if that's caught it. Yeah, that's caught it. So it is very quick, something you have to do. And if you're in doubt, just put a bit of super glue, I suppose. I don't know. Try that. But that is on, definitely on. So guys, here it is. It's sorted, it's done, right? And I'm using this 9-volt battery. Basically, I thought this 9-volt battery would have been magnet, but it isn't. So I'm gonna have to hold on to this while I show you this. There you go, guys. Self-starting pulse motor. Volts. Thank you for watching, guys.